Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. Today I will be working with the January Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper, which is available now since it's past January at this point. So I've printed out these papers just on regular copy paper, and then the elements you can see in the background there too. I've printed those out as well, and I'll just cut out what I need as I need it. I'm rifling here through my paper scraps just to find some interesting textures to layer behind my photo. Here I found a little extra vellum that I'll use to kind of soften the layers. I'm going to skip the video ahead in a couple seconds because I'm just sticking the background papers into my notebook, which takes a little bit of time and is not very interesting to watch. So I'll just tape those down, and then I will add a piece of washi tape to the center to kind of hold things in place in the middle. Now that I have my background papers secured, I will go ahead and stick down some fun embellishments here. This January Good Life bundle comes with those word strips as well as all those little vintage stickers that you see in the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.